What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to remove TikTok account from another device. So let's get right into it. Head over to your TikTok application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you want to remove the other accounts, remove the accounts from other devices. So head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then head over to the three lines icon on the upper right corner. Here a layout will arrive, and just head over to settings and privacy. Once you're here, head over to the security and permissions option under the account section. Once you're there, you can see there are several options, and from them there is one manage devices. So head over to manage devices. And there you will be able to see in which places I have logged in my TikTok account. So from here we just can just click on suppose I want to delete this one, so I will just tap on the recycle bin option on the right of it. So once I click it, a layout arrives. Remove PC login, you will be logged out on this device. So I will click on remove, and yeah, that from that specific device my TikTok account is removed. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.